All right, sis, right. So let's look at an example of what you're going to be asked to do here in your independent practice in just a second. So remember, we're just practicing this skill that you're going to be using in order to get your answers and response correct. So I want to go ahead and solve my expression. I'm going to take the step-by-step process that I did before, and I want to show my work in each box. So in each box, sorry. So I have my expression 1 3/4 divided by 2/5. I want to solve my problem using the standard algorithm first, and you know that's keep, change, flip. So I'm going to rewrite that problem. I have 1 3/4 divided by 2/5. What I want to remember is that I cannot do my math, my standard algorithm if I have a mixed number. So I'm going to go ahead and convert this. I know that I can do that. I'm going to do it here on the side. I can do that by multiplying my denominator times my whole number. So I got 4 times 1. That's 4. Then adding that to my numerator, which is 3. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Keep my denominator the same. Perfect. So now this 1 3/4 is actually just 7/4. So rewrite that. So I have 7/4 divided by 2/5. At this point, you should know that we definitely want to label our expression. The next step is to label our expression. So I'm going to put keep, change, flip. I want to see you label it. That's how I know that you know what's going on. Now I can rewrite it. Let me use a different color. I can rewrite this using my keep, change, flip, or I keep the first one the same, change my division to multiplication, flip my fraction, so I have 5/2, and I can solve it. Now I got 7 times 5 is 35. 4 times 2 is 8. Perfect. So now that I have this, I know I'm not done. I'm going to move my camera over here. No, I'm not done. I have an improper fraction as an answer. So I want to convert my answer, which is an improper fraction, to a mixed number. So I have right here, I have 35/8. What I know is I need to put my numerator in the house. That's what I'm dividing. I'm making groups of, sorry, my internet's kind of lagging right there. Whoa, what's going on here? There we go. Perfect. Fix itself. So my denominator goes outside the house. I want to make groups of 8 with 35. So 35 is my total. How many groups of 8 can I make with 35? So if I think about it, that's going to be, I can make at least 4 groups because 4 times 8 is 32. Well, now that those 32 are in a group, I want to figure out how many I have left. Well, I have 3 left. And I know that I have all the information I need to turn this into a mixed number. My quotient, or however many groups I made 4 whole groups. That's my whole number. How many did I have left? Well, I had 3 left. That becomes my numerator. Out of the 8 that I needed, so the 8 stays the same. I still need to have 8 to make a whole. So that's why it stays in my denominator. So my actual answer is, when I divide 1 3/4 divided by 2/5, means that I have 4 whole groups and 3/8 as an answer. So this is the work I want to be seeing on your end. I want to see you taking the steps, showing me each step of the process. Notice how I showed how I converted my mixed number to an improper. I labeled my expression, then I rewrote it to show that I'm multiplying now, got my improper fraction, went ahead and divided it, got my answer. So when I'm looking for your work today, this is what I'm trying to see, exactly what you see here. So please, 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 as you see in my work, I want you to go ahead and do this as well, so that I can give you appropriate grade to see that you clearly understand the expectation for this lesson. Thank you, Kipsters, and I will see you, and good luck.